Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. You are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 1. My brother, kunjani mfethu?
Angiyaphila wona Ngcobo bhuti wami, yonke into ngiyaphila. Lento eyenzakaleyo Ngcobo, disappointment. But nathi abantu supporting i-players zethu. Understand? Enye into engiyilwayo out yami. Sirinu Messi penalty. It's okay, wamisa la. Abantu bambuyisha. Out yami supporting i-players zethu. Asimeni ngokusupporta i-players zethu. Singabuyi abantu sibe negative. Understand? Asupporting i-players zethu.
Yeah.
Nala amacoach axotshiweyo mina iblind eyenzakale aqalileyo ifootball ayifani ne-event, it's a process. Understand? So asiboneni kona baphusha njani. Understand? Nathi abantu asupporteni i-team yethu mfethu. Lamaplan abawenzileyo umayo bestarta e-first game ajime 5 days out yami wascora babe bamkhipha maybe ama-legs akhona maybe bengekho short kwanadlala i-90 minutes. Understand? Understand? So bafaka omunye kwayenzakala i-problem ama-chances wathole sawamesa. Understand? Yes, but now mfethu asupporteni amajita. Sibuyani ngeSaturday supporteni amajita uthami Ngcobo. Siyekeleni imoya epositive nokuphosela into ezirongo. Yes, singabantu abadala mfethu mawuzothuka umntwana nawo unomntwana endlini uthuka uSirino. Khona umuntu umadala engizothuka uSirino. Umuntu omdala unabantwana lo awuthami. Singathuka supporteni ama-players. Lento esiyilandileyo singamafena siyenzeni nje. Basidinga laba bantu 100%.
Umsebenzi wenu ukusupport.
Yes, basidinga 100%. Asibuyeni Saturday majita.
Siyabonga bhuti.
Ngiyabonga baba.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.